how to make a square four-sided FLEXAGON. Arthur H. Stone invented the first FLEXAGON. He arrived at Princeton University from England to discover his English paper would not fit into his American binder. After he trimmed the edges, he played with the strips of paper until he invented the hexaflexagon. Check out an amazing video by ViArt about hexaflexagons. You'll need scissors, a glue stick, and something to color with. Any size square paper will work. 12 by 12 inches is best. First, fold your paper in half, then fold the bottom edge to the center fold and the top edge to the center fold. Turn your square so the folds go vertically. Repeat that step. Fold the square in half, then fold the bottom and top edge to the center. When you open your paper, you'll have 16 squares. Fold your paper in half. Draw your cutting line on the folded edge. Cut while it's still folded. Save the square. Now it's time to glue. Write A twice on the two upper left squares and B on the two lower right squares. Glue only A to A, fold to the center. Glue only B to B. Turn your paper and write C on the top two left squares and D on the bottom right two squares. Same steps. Glue C to C and D to D. Fold the paper to the left, meeting the center, and from the right to the center. You're done making your FLEXAGON. To flip, push the edges away from you, then open like a book. Keep repeating until it flips easily. To finish, draw on each side and flip until you've drawn on all 4 sides. Be sure to include your name. Use the leftover squares to make smaller and smaller FLEXAGONs. How many can you make?